Did you know some cat breeds are perfect for allergy sufferers? Here are 3 hypoallergenic cats you can tolerate. First, the Siberian. Despite its fluffy coat, it produces less allergenic protein. Next, the Balinese, often called the long-haired Siamese, has low FeL-D1 levels, making it a great choice. Finally, the Devon Rex, with its short, curly fur, sheds less, reducing allergens in your home. But which one would you pick? If you love cats, hit like and subscribe. And if you'd adopt one of these cuties, comment cat lover below.